All right, so Joshua Hall here with my fourth technology. I chose Canva, which is a new to me program. I used it for a brief moment early in the semester, but something I wanted to explore a little more. So Canva is basically a graphic design website that is super user friendly, and something I plan to utilize quite frequently moving forward, because coming from the professional theater world, branding was everything for us. And so having a platform like this that's user friendly to where I can create some sort of brand for my department is huge. So you have to create an account. It is free. I actually pay for the premium, just because I wanted to be able to have the capabilities to print and make copies and that sort of thing. But we'll go ahead and take a look at one of my designs that I recently did for our cast list for our musical. So basically over here to the left you can see all of the different options you have for creating. This poster is what I chose, but you can do everything from programs to ticket stock to postcard to Christmas card to whatever it is. And so this is a poster that I created for our cast list. You can upload your own personal videos and images. You can use stock ones that they have already on hand. Various different elements, graphics that are already uploaded. You add text, music, video, all kinds of good stuff. So let me zoom in here so we can look at a little closer my design. So literally this template I used, it came with the castle, and then you can see I utilized to make my cast list. Target audience, me. Very predominantly me. My fellow colleagues in my department will probably use it at some point, and I would love to be able to turn over our marketing to our students at some point. But right now I'm kind of building up this program from a previous teacher who did not have a background in theater. So trying to get the kids on board with the theater side of things first and foremost, and then turning over all of this fun stuff to them. So huge fan of Canva so far. Excited to see how it can continue to benefit me moving forward with my department.